So parents are always looking for kid-friendly options that they can feel good about, and I have the perfect snack. Z-Bar, Cliff's Energy Snack Bar brand for active kids, has delicious snack bars made with energizing whole grains from organic oats. And Z-Bars have a soft baked texture that kids love. And then they also have Z-Bar protein snack bars. Now, these have a crispy texture, are gluten-free, and are made with a good source of protein to help support kids' growing bodies. Both come in lots of kid-approved flavors. And what's fun is that to help encourage families to spend more time in nature during the busy back-to-school season, Z-Bar is sponsoring a Calling All Outdoors Expert sweepstakes. So to learn more about entering, as well as find your favorite Z-Bars, you can check out cliffbar.com. So when it comes to back to school, I am all about crowd-pleasing snacks that can satisfy any picky eater, like these from Nice brand. So Nice is Walgreens' balanced food and beverage brand that features delicious products at affordable prices. So they have all kinds of snacks like this blueberry pie snack mix. They have banana chips, sesame sticks, organic mango slices, even yogurt covered pretzels. So Jerry, these are perfect for packing in a lunchbox or for setting up as an after-school snack board. So to learn more about these snacks, as well as explore the over 300 Nice products, you can visit a local Walgreens or check out walgreens.com. So as we head back to school, it's really the perfect time to reset and make sure that kids are getting the nutrients that they need to thrive. And the good news is that there is new research showing that beef is an important staple food that can help kids increase their nutrient intake. And what's great is that it is perfect for lunch, dinner, and even after school snacks. So Jerry, I love this chimichurri steak wrap. It's kid-friendly and it's easily customizable with lots of colorful veggies and sauces. Plus, as a parent, you can feel good knowing that your kids are fueled with 10 essential nutrients from beef, like high-quality protein, iron, and B vitamins. So to find my steak wrap, as well as lots of other back-to-school recipes to fuel your family, you can visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com.